I got that shit for that little ass RT.
What are you talking about?
This is only in use of emergency.
What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video. And if y'all don't know by now, y'all got me to 20,000 subscribers. I felt like it was time to do something to the big 5.7. Y'all been telling me to wide body it, tune it, supercharge it, do something. So what I did was I did a little thing. I went to Underground Tuning. If y'all don't know who they are, y'all should know by now. I'm pretty sure most of y'all who watch my content watch this SRT lane. Y'all should know who Underground Tuning is. So what I did, I bought it. I bought the tune, 2 bins for the tune. So I did install the tune. I didn't record any of that, sadly. I did record me installing the PCM because you do have to get a PCM unlocked in order to install this and have your car turn into a switchy. So I'm gonna put some clips of me installing the PCM in this video. Then I'm gonna probably give y'all a little POV drive and stuff like that. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And we gonna turn y'all up, man. We finally lure switchy. So stay tuned to the end. Alright guys, so 1 week later, we finally got the PCM. This is what cost $600 out of the $2,000 I spent on this tune. So we gonna hurry up and install this. Like I said, it took like a week for this joint to come in, but we got the smart access cable already hooked up, and we got the device plugged in. So now we just gonna hook this up and get this joint switching out. No more lorShift, call me lorSwitch, ready? So this is the tools you need if you already bought this joint. You gonna need a plastic tool remover. I think that's what it's called. The joint to remove the little clips. So one of these are like a little, you know what I'm trying to say. 10mm or a 3/8 bit, socket bit. I put it on a drill. And this is just the disconnected battery and then the PCM. And then you're gonna need a 13mm ratchet. So 13mm, 10mm, and a plastic tool remover. We're gonna hurry up and get this done because I got class in a couple minutes. So stay tuned. lorSwitch is on the way. Boom! Alright, y'all. So step number 1, grab your 10mm socket or your 3/8. I recommend a 10mm because it fits perfectly on this. You see this little bolt right there? Put that 10mm on there. Do not blow yourself up. Loosen it up a little bit. Take the negative terminal off of your battery so you don't kill yourself while taking this PCM out. Just like that. Make sure it's away from that so it don't spark. Alright, now we're gonna go on to the front of the car. Step number 2, grab your plastic removal tool. This ain't really a plastic removal tool, but this will work too. Remove 3 of the 4 push pins. You wanna remove all 4 actually. So you see the little pins right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I would recommend removing these 3 and just popping the 4th one out. But get under there. Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie, y'all need to grab a tool for this, cause alright, never mind. We getting somewhere. Got the pins out. I broke one of them, so if you break them, it don't matter. You cool. Feel me? Just order another one on Amazon. Y'all gotta use your muscles for this one. Oh! Just like that. Broke my car. Alright, so now, I ain't gonna lie, you gotta use some muscles to lift this up. You're not gonna crack it, don't worry. It feel like it's gonna crack, but it's just gonna bend right here. You gotta really lift that joint up. Be strong with it. So now you wanna grab your 13mm wrench or socket or ratchet, whatever. You know, one of these with 13mm on it. Take this bolt off right here, just this one bolt. Just like that. Am I loosening this? Alright, so put this to the side. Do not lose this bolt, because this will hold your PCM in. Cool. So y'all see these 2 bolts? You got one right here. You got one right here. We gotta take those out with a 10mm ratchet, I think. Alright, y'all, so we got the ratchet. Couldn't fit my drill in there, but you know, this always comes in handy. Do not, I repeat, do not lose these bolts. Y'all don't want to lose these shits. Other than that, your PCM should be free. Wait, one more thing. Y'all see this fat plug right here? You're gotta do is lift this like lever joint up at the top. Alright, y'all, so we got the separate PCM right here. As you can see, it says HP tuners. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We was taking off the stock PCM, and we thought we broke a couple plugs and stuff. We thought we broke this joint, I ain't gonna lie. We ended up getting it out. Pretty much it's just plug and play. So we're gonna throw this on, you know, plug these back in, get the bolt screw back in and all that stuff. And then I believe that's the only thing we gotta do. We gonna hurry up and get done, and then I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get this put in. But yeah, if y'all feel like y'all broke something, you didn't, feel me? You gotta get a little aggressive because them plugs are real tight. You gotta lift up the lever and then, yeah. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all when we put this in. So we got the connections connected up, you feel me? You wanna grab the bracket and do everything you just did, like taking it off wise and reverse. Plug the stuff back in, then put the bracket on. Should fit perfectly in there just like this. Boom. Now you wanna get the little bolts that you had took off at first. One on the left side and one on the right. Don't drop them. You drop them, it's over. Boom, we got the 2 bolts. Now we're going to tighten them up, and then I'm going to pick up the camera when we tighten them up. Last but not least, grab that 13mm bolt. Put it on that drill, or that impact. Don't drop it. I'm officially lorSwitch.
Big brother.
Now that we got the PCM all nice and secure, you want to put the battery back together. Oh, whoa, hold on. Tighten that up with a 10mm. All right, so y'all should have already downloaded that TDN app. Feel me? Boom, you should have that. What you want to do is go to Flash, sync files. You got to make sure you're close to the device. Once you're close to the device, hit that sync files and just let it sync. All right, y'all. So once you got all the tunes loaded up, you should have nothing but check marks going down. So straight, nothing but check marks. Hit whatever tune you want after you put your car in run. Don't have your foot on a brake yet. Do not start it. Just put it in run. This the options right here. We got advanced burbles, stage 2, and stock tune. We're going to do advanced. We want to go all the way with it. I don't really need to go over that because I already went over it multiple times waiting for this to come in. I was so excited for it to come in. Make sure it's plugged in and all that stuff, right? And now we just wait. We just playing a waiting game now. All right, so as you loading this up, as you can see, it's still loading up. Your car do start to tweak out a little bit. We got the dash going crazy. We got the shift knob going crazy. Everything going crazy. But while that's going crazy, turn off the ignition is what it's saying right now. And then ready. Wait 10 seconds and then turn the ignition back on. All right. Done. Complete. Should be good to go. Now my car is literally switched out. Stay tuned because it's over. It's finally over. I finally tuned my RT. We're gonna start it up in a second. Let me finish school first. All right, y'all, so we got the tune on and ready to go. I ain't gonna lie, I heard it already. This car sounds insane, bro, like 10 times better. The flames is crazy, the pops is crazy, bro. Y'all gotta hear it. As of right now, I can show y'all the cold start real quick though. So let me show y'all that real quick. To me, it don't sound no different, to be honest. But I mean, y'all can tell me for yourself. What y'all think? Like I said, I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow and then show y'all. So stay tuned, man. This sound crazy, bro. I got a headache already. I just like started using this joint. So I'm gonna get an outside POV drive as well, of me driving by and all that stuff, so y'all can see the flames. And daytime's better than nighttime to me, in my opinion. So we gonna wait till tomorrow and I'm gonna pick up the camera. So stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all. Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Underground tuning got it, bro. This shit drawing. Y'all gotta hit her flames. Hold on, wait till I hit the downshift. Oh my god, I ain't even downshift. I ain't even downshifting. Oh my god. Hold on.
Nah, bro, this shit feel faster,
This shit feel faster, bro. This shit drawing, bro. For those who are wondering if you could use the taser, if the Z automotive taser with the tune, you can. Feel me? I got the taser plugged up in the trunk with track mode, SRT pages and all that. Tune plugged up underneath. So, bro, this shit drawing, bro. Every time I go into track mode, like I barely have to hit the gas.
Damn.
This shit just pop. This shit crazy, bro.
The feds gonna think that's a gun.
Feds gonna think this. Oh my god.
Damn.
Yo, nah, bro.
lorSwitch has officially
lorSwitchy has now entered the chat, bro. It's over.
Nah.
It's over, bro. This shit crazy.
Hardest RT. That's just drop.
Hardest 5.7 in the world, bro. This shit. And not only does, so I know a lot of y'all gonna be asking like, yo, what does it do? Like, besides the advanced Burble tunes and the Burble tune and all that Burble shit. Feel me? I'm gonna give y'all a couple things. I might miss a couple, but pretty much what it does is, as you can see, my dash has 160. I'm taking that off. This tune takes that off, bro. I seen an RT go 170 that had this tune installed. So it takes off the limiter. It takes off the rev limiter, so you can go and rev up to 7 RPMs. Feel me? You can really rev all the way down now, and your shit gonna be like, you know what I'm talking about. And then what else? You got the Burble tune. You gain 60 torque and you gain 30 horsepower, and that's with the 5.7s only. I'm gonna put the link in the description if y'all want to buy it yourself, but only $2,000, bro. I think it's worth it. I think it's a great investment for me, because now I can redo all my videos, feel me? POV drives with the Burble tune, advanced Burble tune, all that, bro. This shit crazy. I'm gonna show y'all one more time real quick. Y'all gotta hear this beast. Downshift. I'm waiting for this car to get from in front of me, bro, so I could. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, that was a flame. That little, oh my goodness, bro. Y'all just hearing the advanced Burbles. Y'all really gotta hear the Burbles, bro. The Burbles sound even crazier, bro. Like, this is just the flame Burble tune. You got the advanced and you got the regular John. So like I showed y'all earlier in this video, you got different options and stuff. So if you ain't pay attention, this the app right here. You got advanced Burbles and then you got Burbles. Feel me? So I'm on the top one, stage 2. Only reason I can get stage 2 right now is because I have catless mid pipes, or no cats, pretty much. If you got no cats, you can get stage 2. It be fed around here. I forgot. Let me chill out. Look, he confused. Like, what the hell is that? Nah, bro.
Shots.
He think it's gunshots.
And we
Somebody
call Joey
shooting.
Black.
Deeper tone. That shit sound crazy.
Like it sound like more aggressive.
Oh my god. This is so crazy. I don't even know how to react to this shit. This shit crazy. Like, I never even would have thought I ever did this.
This shit. Wow.
Bro, that shit sounds no big game shit. That shit sounds
That shit drawing,
bro,
bro.
that shit
This
sounds
shit the
tough.
hardest RT in the state.
Hardest
Bro, that shit
5.7 in the state.
Bro, that shit sounds tough.
100%.
Wait till you hear the advanced Burbles, though. You ain't even
Yeah,
heard the flames.
Burble.
You can make it do more?
You
It
didn't
can
hear
spit
it.
flames?
Yeah.
Why didn't you do this on the weekend when I was off?
PCM just came in yesterday.
Just doing illegal activity.
Go right.
Illegal activities. Are you ready? Advanced Burbles. Bro, I'm gonna be on a radar after this, bro. This shit Alright, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Hey, feel me? I ain't been dropping like that. I apologize. But I'm gonna try to stay consistent for y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. It's lorShift, and I'm out.
What's the difference? You a shooter, I'm a shooter, but I clamp shit. 30 shots from out that switchy, I just tapped it. And I knew the boy was black, but he was sweet, I had to text it. Dummy, no.